Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload digital products to Gumroad. So when you sign up here, as you can see, and there is create your first product option, and I already did that, but let's do it again. So you go ahead here to your products and you click a new product right there. Now you're going to name the product. So let's write down Daily Dream Journal. And I'm not going to choose digital product, but you can choose, if it's an ebook, you can choose ebook, course, membership, physical good, or a bundle. And you're going to write down the price. So let's write down $10, or you can also change the currency if you want. Now let's click next. Now you will be redirected to this page where you can enter the description of your journal. So let's write down just this. I'm not going to write down the description for this video, but basically you write down here a whole description, what your product is about. And now you can add the URL if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like so. You can enter basically like that dream journal. And then you can copy it to clipboard and so on and so forth. Now, here you can also enter a custom domain if you want to, and upload images or videos for your cover. So as you can see, this is the sizing they have to be. And here you want to upload your cover. It's just a random photo. Now the thumbnail, this image appears on Gumroad library, and it should be square, 600 times 600 pixels. So let's upload here too. Now here's how it looks like. Now you want to enter your product information. So this is call to action, buy this, pay, or I want this. So for example, let's do buy this summary, what they will get. Dream journal with 300 daily entries, for example. Now, additional details, you can call out important features of your product to help your customers decide to buy. So you want to add a detail like an attribute, 300 entries, and the value. Let's make it, I don't know, $20. Basically, enter here a different type of things, additional details if you want to attract more customers. Now, the integrations, you can invite your customers to your Circle community or invite your customers to Discord server. If you had those, you can. Now, the pricing, or you can also allow customers to pay whatever they want. If you are not into making money, versions, so offer variations of this product. So you can, for example, make different coloring for your product and add a version like so. I'm not going to do that, but basically here you can also specify a refund policy, publicly show the number of sales, and so on and so forth. Now we're going to save and continue. So first of all, you have to enter the content you want to sell, upload your files, and start typing. So I'm going to click this insert file button, and I'm going to upload my journal. Now, when you choose to upload, you can see there is computer files, Dropbox, or embed video. So you choose whatever fits you the best. And now, as you can see, this is downloading. I'm just going to write down quickly Dream Journal. Maybe let's make something like so. Entries for your dreams. You can, of course, write down more, but that's basically how we upload it. You can also insert the image and many other things, but you can insert a button even. So you can enter subscribe, for example, and enter your YouTube, for example. It really depends what you're selling. So after that, you just basically publish and continue. And now your product has been published. You can also share this on X, Facebook, or just copy URL and share it somewhere else. And the profile, now there is also a category where you can choose where your product is, add some tags so the people on Gumroad would find you. But that's basically it. That's how you create and upload digital products to Gumroad.